Is your construction site in or around San Jose buried under a mess of debris? Construction projects generate a lot of waste, and proper cleanup is crucial. Beyond aesthetics, it's about keeping people safe. Broken glass, sharp metal, and other materials can pose risks. Responsible cleanup is not only vital for safety, but also for the environment. Construction debris encompasses a variety of materials, each requiring specialized care in handling and disposal. From concrete and metal to wood, dust, and hazardous waste, managing this diverse range of materials presents challenges. Dealing with construction waste isn't as simple as tossing it in a bin. Safety standards, environmental concerns, local regulations, and the sheer volume and variety of debris make it a complex task. Whether it's a modest renovation or a substantial project, we tailor our services to meet homeowners' needs. Businesses benefit from specialized services designed to address their unique requirements. We are committed to sustainable practices, prioritizing the recycling or upcycling of reusable materials whenever feasible, and aligning with San Jose's environmental guidelines. While our primary focus is on efficient debris removal, we can also lend a hand with minor demolition tasks as part of our comprehensive service in San Jose. Reach out to discuss your specific needs. Ready to say goodbye to construction debris? Book Zero Junk Removal today, and let us help you clear the mess. Call us at 669-263-5865.